team Lanora, and we are about to present our project based on AI assessment platform. So we could, in the landing page, we could see the students dashboard. For the demo purpose, we had been taken the test, so it shows how the student is performing in the graph in various different topics. We are testing it over Git related topics, so it is showing Git stash and staging commits and Git temporary commits. Okay, let's try uploading a PDF to generate the questions. We have given the PDF and we let's select five questions. Let's make it simple and faster. And here we have selected the adaptive, which means the test will be in an adaptive section. So now when the user making the answers correct, the difficulty of the level questions will be increased. And if the user is making the mistakes, the difficulty will be reduced according to the user performance. The test will be adapted. And now the PDF is broken into text and broken into chunks. Those will be sent to our Gemini 2.5 Pro model, to which responds in JSON format, which has the MCQs and options with the answers and explanations, which we will use it in later of the result section. Yeah, we had started with the test. So let's make it simple. Here, the user can see the hint if he's wanted to solve it and he is finding it any difficulty, he can see the hint. If the hint is used, the marking will be partial, not complete marking. Let's use, let's make it faster. Yeah, it's a true or false question. Obviously, when we are seeing it, when we are attempting it a little wrong, so it is going beginner level. But if we, maybe the last question is right, so it went to intermediate level. Here, we just uploaded the Git cheat sheet, but the questions are like it in the real world scenario, how we can approach it in real life. Let's select another. Let's make it faster. Now result is evaluated, and it shows in beginner we made eight incorrects and one correct answer and three correct in intermediate. And obviously it shows how what's the learning process in GitHub. Maybe we can use it for any other subject also even. And it shows the detailed flow where we are strong and where we need to improve. And when we go to AI recommendation, it gives the better suggestion where we need to spend our time on. And if I am not aware of any answer, here I made it a mistake, so the correct answer is we had a correct answer. And now we can just go through the explanation rather than jumping to ChatGPT or some other things. We can just get the explanation here itself. And for short answers, we have implemented a 80% semantic rule. So the user types the answer in his own way, and the answer GPT generated was in the different way. So if the answer matches 80% semantical meaning of the GPT answer, it will be given full marks for the short answers. MCQs, it's simple A, B, C, D. And this is the, so he can just look into here rather than jumping over the chat GPTs and other stuff. And if we download the page, he gets 33.3 and 4 by 12 are correct. And it shows which questions are correct and which are not. And we are about to implement fuzzy method. So in the PDF, we can see the highlighted parts where the questions are correct and where the questions are wrong, so that it brings more visual appealing to the PDF. So the user can upload the PDF, and at the end he can download the PDF and see which sections he is marking correct answers and which sections he is marking wrong answer. So he can learn from it, and we are about to implement it by tomorrow. And so far we had done this progress. Thank you.